How you doing? I'm good. I'm good. Okay, great, great, great. So yeah, you come in, and of course you can sort it out any kind of way you want. But I like this here where you light a fire, and then you're in. So both sides is for this side, and then the kitchen as well. So my favorite thing about this particular kitchen, let me show you. So they looking at he's checking things out. Is this right here? I really do like that. Yeah, sorry, it's kind of making you feel a little dizzy, but it's the kitchen. So as you're getting all this natural light in the kitchen, then you have the stoves, or your basin here, and we just had all of this. So it's pretty incredible. So earlier we walked in. You can turn it. This is your one of your entertaining rooms. So this is that. You got all of this here, and then he likes to braai. So you got a major braai scenario here. You can put on a full pig if you want to, maybe even a whole cow. So this is kind of like the view from this space. Then you can walk out here where you saw me earlier, and voila, you're doing your thing. So this is all one. Turn on your heater here, and you're in the game. So then you can open this door up, or if you wanted to, like you open it this door. So see this door here? It goes across. You can actually put glass doors in or leave it the same, and then you can go into the billiard ring, and you could do that as well. And then of course you got your fireplace, as you see. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'm just in the front of the house. Guys, let me move it go this way. It's just sitting there right here. And it's a pretty big house, so I get a lot of steps in. It's a lot of steps. So you got that room. Yeah, it's a big house. And of course, guys, you can see that there's a situation here for your wine. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna go this side.
Bedrooms downstairs.
Yeah. So as you go down these stairs, there's a bed frame. What? And see, these are, huh? Yeah, got a fireplace. And so there's a twin bed on the other, I mean, a twin room just on the other side. Just yeah, yeah. So it's a lot of space down here, and then of course you go back here, and then there's your bed. I mean, this is your bathroom here. Of course, you get a lot of natural light coming in. Obviously, I showed you in one space, and so I can get around. And then you come down here, and there's another scenario. So yeah, of course the loo is back here,